At Pulte, we build homes that think ahead to everything you'll need. Like a dedicated office space with Wi-Fi for you to stay focused. Hardwired internet outlets for more gaming. An oversized pantry? Yes, with more space to fit everything. Non-porous countertops for easy kitchen cleanup. Our touchless faucets are pure magic, with water filtration to give you peace of mind. Air filtration for more fresh breaths. Bigger kids' bedrooms for more learning. A home theater for more popcorning. And porches and patios for more outdoor living. At Pulte, we build homes that think ahead to tomorrow so you can build the life you're dreaming of today. Pulte Homes, more life built in.